Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. Evaluate yourself 4. Evaluate yourself 4. A solution of CONH3 4 times I2Cl. I will write the IUPAC name. When treated with silver nitrate gives a white precipitate. What should be the formula of isomer of the dissolved complex that gives yellow precipitate with silver nitrate? What are the above isomers called? What are the above isomers called? So, before solve this problem, first we should know the qualitative analysis of halide ion. Qualitative analysis of halide ion. How to confirm chloride, bromide and iodide radical using silver nitrate solution. Now we take here one chloride salt, NaCl. We know the name sodium chloride. Charge on sodium is +1. Alkali metal monopositive ion, charge on chlorine is -1. When we cross that valency, that one is here, this one is there, we will get the molecule. When treated with AgNO3 solution, silver nitrate solution. Ag is monopositive +1, nitrate, nitrogen +5, oxygen, 1 oxygen -2, 3 oxygen -6. Therefore, when we add, we will go to -1. That one is here, this one is there. When a chloride solution is treated with silver nitrate, we know this Ag plus combine with the Cl minus, Na plus combine with the NO3 minus, plus always combine with the minus. White precipitate of AgCl is formed. Ag monopositive, Cl mononegative, that one is here, this one is there, plus. And the byproduct obtained in this reaction is sodium nitrate, NaNO3. The compound formed is silver chloride. Silver chloride. The color of this precipitate is white precipitate, actually curdy white precipitate. Chloride salt gives white precipitate when treated with a silver nitrate solution. And take any one bromide salt, for example KBr, potassium bromide, KBr, when treated with a silver nitrate solution, AgNO3 gives a potassium alkali metal, lost 1 electron becomes 1 plus monopositive, silver 1 plus and NO3 1 minus, all the valencies are 1, plus combine with the minus, plus combine with the minus, gives AgBr, silver bromide. AgBr, silver bromide. A precipitate is formed, and the byproduct here formed is potassium nitrate, KNO3. The name of this compound is silver bromide. Silver bromide. Silver bromide. Color of this precipitate is pale yellow precipitate. Pale yellow precipitate. AgNO3 form pale yellow precipitate with the bromide salt. Take one more example for iodide salt. Ki or sodium iodide when treated with silver nitrate solution AgNO3. Potassium monopositive iodine I minus Ag plus 1 NO3 minus 1 and gives Ag plus combine with the I minus plus combine with the minus and this plus combine with the minus. Ag plus combine with the I minus form AgI. A precipitate is formed and with the loss of the byproduct potassium nitrate. What is the name of this compound? Name of this compound is silver iodide. Silver chloride, silver bromide. This one is silver iodide. The color of the precipitate is yellow precipitate. Yellow precipitate. In our evaluate yourself, one coordination compound is given. The coordination compound given in our problem is CO, cobalt 3 plus ion and NH3 4 times, NH3 4 times, I2 and Cl. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? We can easily write the IUPAC name. A is first amine, I second iodido. Tetra, iodido, tetra amine, diiodido, cobalt, oxidation state 3, Roman numeral, chloride. What is the first question? A solution of cobalt tetraamine diiodido cobalt 3 chloride when treated with AgNO3 gives white precipitate. Now we can write the equation. This complex CO3 plus NH3 4 times I2 plus 1 chlorine minus 1 when treated with AgNO3. This Ag plus combine with the NO3 minus plus 1 minus 1. Just now we have discussed plus combine with the minus, plus combine with the minus. So Ag plus combine with the Cl minus form AgCl, a white precipitate is formed along the loss of NO3 minus is added to complex plus CO NH3. How many times? 4 times. I2 outside of the complex 1 NO3 nitrate, mono positive, mono negative, that one is here, this one is that. So here silver chloride is formed, silver chloride, white precipitate is formed. The formation of white precipitate with the AgNO3 indicate that Cl minus present as a counter ion outside of the complex, ionizable ion. Only ionizable ion undergo reaction with Ag plus and form white precipitate. The formation of white precipitate indicate that it is silver chloride. The formation of silver chloride indicate that the chloride ion in this complex present as the counter ion. Then one more question is asked in our problem. What should be the formula of isomer of the dissolved complex that gives yellow precipitate with the AgNO3 solution? Yellow precipitate is due to the formation of silver iodide. Silver iodide is formed when I minus, 1 I minus present as a counter ion. Now, bring one chlorine to inside of the complex and one iodine outside of the complex. One chlorine counterion now act as ligand and one ligand act as counterion. Now I convert 1 I minus into CO, cobalt 3 plus. How many amine we have? Same NH3 4 times. 1 iodine. Bring 1 chlorine to inside of the coordination complex, another iodine as counterion. So this is the molecular formula for the another compound which gives yellow precipitate with silver nitrate solution. Amine A first, chlorido second, iodido third. IUPAC name of this compound is tetra amine chlorido, iodido, central metal ion, cobalt, oxidation state 3, and outside of the complex iodide counterion is present, iodide. Now this compound with AgNO3 gives yellow precipitate. How? Write that compound. Cobalt 3 plus NH3 4 times 1 I 1 Cl, and this I is the counter ion. Charge on the complex is plus 1, charge on I equal to minus 1. When this compound treated with silver nitrate AgNO3, charge on Ag plus is monopositive and charge on NO3 minus is minus 1. Now as usual we know plus combine with the minus, this plus combine with the minus. What are our product formed? Gives an yellow precipitate of AgI, precipitate, downward arrow mark, minus added to the complex CO, NH3. How many times? 4 times ICl. Now that NO3 is added on the outside of the complex. NO3 is added outside of the complex. AgI is yellow precipitate. Formation of yellow precipitate indicate that silver iodide is formed. Formation of silver iodide indicate that I minus present in the counterion as the counterion. Then one more question asked in our problem. What are the above isomers called? The above isomers called is ionization isomer. So in between these two complexes, what are that two complexes? CO, NH3 4 times I2Cl. This is first complex. The isomeric complex is CO, NH3 4 times ICl, outside the complex 1 iodine. The isomerism exhibit between these two complex is ionization isomerism. Ionization isomers. These are ionization isomer. Because these two complexes produces different ions when dissolved in solution. Complex plus Cl minus, complex plus I minus. Therefore, this comes under ionization isomers. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.